All right, just today we bought a Solo detector test kit. It's a test kit for testing smoke detectors and heat detectors on site, and I'm just going to show you the basics so you can get started. So it comes with some fiberglass tubes. Firstly, this telescopic one, and then two extension poles. And that'll get you a height of about 8.2 meters. So we have a smoke head. So this is a smoke testing head, and inside it is a can of smoke. 35 bucks worth of smoke, so use it sparingly. We can use generic smoke cans with it, and we probably will. So what you do is you tighten that up, and as you tighten it up, you'll see that little platform inside there lifts up a little bit. If you tighten it too far, smoke will start coming out. So just back it off, don't let smoke continually come out of it, and just back it off so that platform is sitting high, but not letting smoke out. Then we stick this on to the telescopic pole. So we grab that one, and it clips in just here. It positively clips in just here. Make sure it clips in, because if you've got it up at 8.2 meters and it falls out, it's going to drop on someone's head. So extend the pole up to the length you want it, and we're just going to pretend there's a smoke head here. You stick it over the smoke head and you push it slightly. It's going to let some smoke out. I don't know if you can see the smoke. I can see the smoke. Don't put too much smoke in the smoke head. You'll have all sorts of problems getting the smoke head to reset after you pump too much smoke in it. So after a while, the smoke will just naturally release from the smoke head. You don't have to do anything. Don't go waving this thing around in front of the head, trying to create a draft around the head. I've seen people do that. You'll end up breaking this head. So don't do that. Just let the smoke come out of the head by itself. Some smoke detectors reset themselves. Others, you have to do a manual reset on the panel, so it drops power and it resets the smoke head. So if that doesn't get you height enough, take that out, put the extension pole in, and then you can put another extension pole on top of that one. Go up to 8.2 meters. That's the smoke head. Next one is a heat tester. So inside here, when you're storing this thing, back that right off, so there's no chance of smoke coming out of it. Next one's a heat tester. Looks a bit like that, and has a little button on the front of it like that. So inside this bag here, we have two batteries. There's one. The other one's in there as well. Before you go to site, charge it up the night before. So inside this kit, there's a battery tester. Not a battery tester, a charger. 240 volt charger. Just plug that in. It's got a little, probably about a 15 pin attachment to go in there. Charge that up overnight. It'll be good to go. Charge them both up, especially if you've got a big school or something to do. So that one goes in there, positively clips in there, and the button here, push it to turn it on. You know when it comes on because there's a green LED there. Okay, you can angle this thing. So there's a red button here, push it down, angle it like that. That's how I'd use it, is on that angle like that. Probably not like that. Angle it like that. Stick it in the pole, like so. Extend it up to where you want it. Stick it over the head. Now when it goes over the head, you'll see that green flashing LED change. I think it changes to a red when it's over the head, which means it's heating the head up. And you have to leave it on there for about 5 to 10 seconds to heat the head up properly. and then just pull it down, take it out, it'll stop itself. And then bring it down safely, slowly. Don't do this. I've seen people do this. Push that button and let it release, just fly down like that. Just bring it down slowly. This is a $4,000 piece of kit. We want to look after it. Just something to be mindful of when this is extended. And I think these two tubes will extend to about 6 meters. You want to have 6 meters clearance around you in case this thing falls down. You don't want it falling on anyone. So just be mindful of the area around you that this thing's not going to fall on someone. Especially in a gymnasium, you'll have kids running around. This thing can go up to 8 meters. You want a diameter, a radius of 8 meters around you so it can't fall on anyone. So at the end of the day, take that out. Just don't clip it. Put all this away. The last thing I want to show you in the kit is a head remover. So this will remove smoke heads or heat detector heads. And so it's got an adjustment where you can turn this around to different size heads. And it's something I haven't used much, but it will remove a smoke head from, so you just put it up, twist it, and it'll take the head off. What you'll find is it's harder to put the head back on. So it'll come off pretty easy, but you'll find it'll be quite hard to put the head back on at an extended sort of distance from it. So that's the head remover. And that's about it. Any other questions? There's manuals in the front of this pouch. Manuals in the front there, just in here. Just there. And this tester will need to be signed out with probably Carissa or one of the team here in the office. It's in the cage, so it'll need to be signed out. Cool, thank you.